Hello, my name is Rob, and today I will be demonstrating how to better hide your information from corporations online. While it is impossible to prevent everything that you do from online from being tracked, there are a few methods today that you can use that will limit the information that is gathered. The first technique will be a simple trick that can become a healthy habit to get into every time you surf the web. To demonstrate, I will now enter a site that uses cookies to show you what to do. Once I've entered the site, you can see that the site has prompted me with the option to either accept or deny all cookies. Anytime you see this type of option, you always want to reject or say no to cookies. For this site, it was fairly easy to deny the use of cookies, but sometimes you'll have to go to another website in order to deny the cookies. Companies do this so that it is harder for the user of the website to stop the use of the cookies. The next trick here we will use is to turn off Google ad personalization. This one's extremely important because Google is one of the main culprits in the great data theft we are experiencing today. To begin this one, type into Google ad settings. It should be the first option that is available to you. This one also very simple to do, but makes a big impact. All you got to do is turn the ad personalization off and confirm your choice. Something that's interesting about this, and I'll turn this on just to demonstrate, is it'll show you all the stuff that Google has already collected about you. So far, what Google has already collected about me is that I am 18 to 34 years old. I am a male. I speak English, and it has all my other interests, as you can see. So today, we've demonstrated 2 tricks that can be used to stop companies from using your personal data for profit. While these things may seem simple, they make a huge impact on your online safety. If you find this video useful in any other way, and you enjoyed the information shared, please make sure to subscribe, comment, and share this video to people whose information you would like to save from the exploitations of companies.